Sydney, the vibrant heart of Australia, is a city that never ceases to amaze. With a perfect blend of natural beauty, historical significance, and modern marvels, Sydney offers an unforgettable experience for every traveler. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned explorer, these 10 iconic places in Sydney are guaranteed to blow your mind. Number 10. Hyde Park, the green heart of Sydney. Starting our countdown is Hyde Park, a historic green space that has served as Sydney's natural retreat for over 2 centuries. Spanning 40 acres, this lush oasis is more than just a park. It's a living museum of Sydney's history and culture. Wander through its tree-lined avenues, where every step is a journey through time, from the majestic Archibald Fountain to the poignant Anzac Memorial. In this year, Hyde Park continues to be a cultural hotspot, hosting vibrant festivals, art installations, and public events that bring the community together. Whether you're seeking a tranquil spot to relax or a picturesque backdrop for your Instagram feed, Hyde Park delivers. It's the perfect place to unwind, recharge, and soak up the essence of Sydney's past and present. Number 9. The Sydney Tower Eye, views from the top. Coming in at number 9 is the Sydney Tower Eye, the tallest structure in the city and a must-visit for anyone wanting to see Sydney from a different perspective. Standing 309 meters tall, it offers 360-degree views that stretch as far as the Blue Mountains on a clear day. But there's more to the Tower Eye than just the view. In this year, it has introduced new virtual reality experiences that let you soar over Sydney's landmarks or dive into the harbour without leaving the observation deck. For the thrill seekers, the Skywalk experience takes you outside the tower on a glass-floored platform, where the only thing between you and the ground is 268 meters of air. It's an exhilarating experience that combines adrenaline with awe, making it one of Sydney's most unforgettable attractions. Number 8. Darling Harbour, the entertainment hub. At number 8, we have Darling Harbour, a bustling waterfront precinct that's the epicenter of Sydney's entertainment scene. Darling Harbour is where the city comes alive, day and night, with a mix of attractions, restaurants, shops, and entertainment venues. In this year, the harbour is more vibrant than ever, thanks to new dining options that cater to every palate and a calendar packed with events that keep the energy high. Stroll along the waterfront to take in views of the Sydney skyline, or hop on a ferry to explore the harbour from the water. Whether you're visiting the sea-like Sydney Aquarium, catching a movie at the IMAX theatre, or simply enjoying a meal with a view, Darling Harbour promises a good time. It's the place where Sydney's fun side is on full display, making it a must-visit for anyone looking to experience the city's lively spirit. Number 7. Manly Beach, a ferry ride to paradise. Number 7 on our list is Manly Beach, a beloved escape that's just a short ferry ride from Circular Quay. The journey to Manly is half the fun, offering stunning views of the Sydney Opera House and Harbour Bridge as you sail across the harbour. Once you arrive, you'll find a beach town that perfectly balances laid-back vibes with outdoor adventure. In 2024, Manly remains a favorite among both locals and tourists, thanks to its pristine beaches, charming shops, and great dining spots. Whether you're surfing the waves, kayaking in the harbour, or hiking the scenic trails up to North Head, Manly Beach offers a slice of paradise just minutes from the city centre. It's the ideal spot to relax, recharge, and enjoy Sydney's natural beauty at its finest. Number 6. Royal Botanic Garden, nature in the city. Just missing the top 5, the Royal Botanic Garden is Sydney's premier green space, offering a peaceful retreat right in the heart of the city. This expansive garden is home to thousands of plant species from around the world, making it a paradise for nature lovers and photographers alike. The garden continues to be a popular spot for locals and visitors, with new guided tours and interactive exhibits that bring the plant world to life. One of the highlights is Mrs. Macquarie's Chair, a historic sandstone rock carved by convicts, offering unbeatable views of the Sydney Opera House and Harbour Bridge. Whether you're taking a leisurely stroll, enjoying a picnic, or attending one of the garden's many events, the Royal Botanic Garden is a must-see. It's where Sydney's natural beauty meets its urban charm, creating a perfect blend of tranquility and excitement. Number 5. The Rocks, Sydney's historic heartbeat. Cracking the top 5 is The Rocks, Sydney's oldest neighborhood and a living testament to the city's rich history. Walking through The Rocks is like stepping back in time, with its cobblestone streets, sandstone buildings, and historic pubs. But it's not just history that draws people here. The Rocks is also a vibrant cultural hub, with markets, art galleries, and events that keep the area buzzing year-round. The Rocks continues to be a must-visit for anyone interested in Sydney's past, with new exhibitions at the Rocks Discovery Museum and updated walking tours that delve into the area's convict history. And when you need a break, there's no better place to grab a pint than at the Fortune of War, Sydney's oldest pub. The Rocks is where the city's story began, and today, it's where history and culture come to life. Number 4. Taronga Zoo, a wild day out. At number 4, we have Taronga Zoo, a world-class attraction that offers more than just a day out. It's an experience that combines education, conservation, and breathtaking views. Located on the shores of Sydney Harbour, Taronga Zoo is home to thousands of animals from around the globe, including Australia's unique wildlife. The zoo continues to be a leader in conservation efforts, with new exhibits and interactive experiences that let you get up close and personal with the animals. One of the highlights is the Roar and Snore overnight stay, where you can sleep under the stars and wake up to the sounds of the zoo. Whether you're feeding a giraffe, watching the seals perform, or learning about the zoo's efforts to protect endangered species, Taronga Zoo is a place that leaves a lasting impression. Number 3. Bondi Beach, surf, sun, and sand. Kicking off our top 3 is Bondi Beach, Sydney's most famous stretch of sand, and a symbol of the city's beach culture. Bondi is more than just a beach, it's a way of life. With its golden sands, rolling surf, and vibrant atmosphere, Bondi is the place to be if you want to experience Sydney's laid-back lifestyle. Bondi Beach continues to be a hotspot for surfers, sunbathers, and tourists alike. The beach is also home to the iconic Bondi Icebergs Pool, where you can swim laps in a saltwater pool right next to the ocean. And if you're feeling adventurous, take a surf lesson or embark on the Bondi to Coogee Coastal Walk, a scenic trail that offers stunning views of the coastline. Bondi Beach is where Sydney's natural beauty and vibrant culture collide, making it a must-visit on any trip to the city. Number 2. Sydney Harbour Bridge, climb the Coathanger. Narrowly missing the top spot, the Sydney Harbour Bridge is an icon of Sydney and a symbol of Australia itself. Known affectionately as the Coathanger, the Harbour Bridge is more than just a way to cross the harbour. It's an adventure waiting to happen. Climbing the bridge has become a bucket list activity for visitors, offering panoramic views of the city and beyond. The bridge climb remains one of the most popular attractions in Sydney, with options ranging from the classic climb to the express climb for those short on time. And for an extra special experience, try the twilight or night climb, where you can see the city lights twinkle as the sun sets over the harbour. The Sydney Harbour Bridge is not just a structure, it's an experience that will stay with you long after you've left Sydney. Number 1. Sydney Opera House, the crown jewel of Sydney. And finally, at number 1, we have the Sydney Opera House, the most iconic building in Australia and a masterpiece of modern architecture. The Opera House is more than just a place to see a show. It's a symbol of Sydney's creative and cultural spirit. The Opera House continues to be a global center for the performing arts, hosting everything from operas and ballets to concerts and theater productions. But even if you're not attending a performance, the Opera House is a sight to behold. Take a guided tour to learn about its history and design, or simply admire its sail-like structure from one of the many vantage points around the harbour. As the sun sets and the sails light up, you'll understand why the Sydney Opera House is the crown jewel of this incredible city. And that's a wrap on our journey through Sydney's most mind-blowing spots. If you're now dreaming of climbing the Harbour Bridge or catching a wave at Bondi, don't forget to smash that like button. It's more satisfying than a Vegemite toast. And hey, if you want more epic adventures and a few laughs along the way, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Catch you in the next one, mates.